We got to pray. Even for Southern Africa here, we got to pray. Even for lower in South Africa, pray. We got to pray. Because there are some who will begin to listen carefully. Listen immediately. Immediately when they say there's something, South Africa will say, I'm here to listen. Don't say you were not told. Pray. Pray against it. Pray that these nations at least peep or flip a wing. And when South Africa listens, other countries will begin to listen. And yet the scriptures are telling us what will happen. But anyway, pray for South Africa wherever you are. Just pray. Okay. So they are going to use restrictions for patents and even control the patent application. Because when you apply for a patent, these are the experts. They will have their person there figuring out if you can do it or not. So two things. We have, number one, to encourage and pray rather for our nations to never accept this fall. Remember, there are only 4 countries that are doing it right now. But America is coming in with this war on the environment. All right? And the World Health Organization is also coming in and telling you we have this problem and that problem and this problem. There is disease in this location, so that there will be lack of food. And you'll notice one thing that will begin to happen. Please mark my words on this. You realize that the disease that they are going to announce now, since the time of COVID, will involve lockdown. As if there are no other bacteria or something, like this is just one virus that said, everyone go home. I'm conquering this thing. Just one virus told other viruses, don't do it. So they will say, sit at home. Why? So that there will not be production. That food will come from another location. Until everyone bends to their rules.
Good News World with Uebert Angel, provoking a reaction and always worth hearing.